Imagine a safe and secure locker in the sky, accessible from anywhere in the world. This locker, my friends, is what we call cloud storage. Just like a physical locker stores your valuables, cloud storage safeguards your precious digital files, photos, videos, documents, and more. Instead of carrying around bulky external hard drives or relying solely on your computer's limited storage, the cloud offers a convenient and reliable alternative. Think of it as an extension of your device, providing a centralized hub for all your digital belongings. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or just starting your digital journey, understanding cloud storage is crucial in today's interconnected world. So buckle up as we demystify this transformative technology and explore how it can simplify your life. Now, you might be wondering, how does this whole cloud thing actually work? Well, it's surprisingly simple. When you store something in the cloud, you're essentially uploading it to a network of powerful servers located in data centers around the globe. These servers act like giant warehouses for digital information, meticulously organized and maintained by specialized companies. Instead of saving files directly to your computer or phone, you're saving them to these remote servers. But here's the beauty of it. You can access these files from any device with an internet connection. Log in to your cloud storage account from your laptop, tablet or smartphone and voila! All your files are right there, ready to be accessed, edited or shared. Cloud storage isn't just a technological marvel, it offers a plethora of benefits that can transform the way you manage your digital life. Imagine having all your important files, photos and documents accessible at your fingertips, no matter where you are in the world. Safety and security. Say goodbye to the fear of losing your precious files due to a crashed hard drive or a stolen device. With cloud storage, your data is stored in secure data centers protected by advanced encryption technologies. Cloud storage providers employ robust security measures, including encryption and multiple data backups, to ensure your data is safe and sound. Even if one server fails, your data is backed up in multiple locations, providing an extra layer of security. Accessibility on the go. Need to access an important document while on a business trip or share vacation photos with family back home? Cloud storage makes it incredibly convenient. Whether you're at an airport, a coffee shop, or even on a beach, your files are just a few clicks away. Cloud storage makes it a breeze. Access your files anytime, anywhere, from any internet-connected device. This means you can work on your projects, review documents, or enjoy your media without being tied to a specific location or device. Space-saving marvel. Tired of those pesky storage full notifications? Cloud storage is the perfect solution for freeing up space on your devices. No more deleting files to make room for new ones. Cloud storage frees up valuable space on your devices, allowing them to run smoothly and efficiently. This means faster performance and more room for the apps and files you need. Effortless sharing and collaboration. Collaborating on projects or sharing memories with loved ones has never been easier. With cloud storage, you can share files and folders with just a few clicks. Cloud storage allows you to share files and folders with others instantly, with customizable permissions for viewing or editing. This makes it perfect for both professional collaboration and personal sharing, ensuring everyone has access to the latest versions of documents and media. Now that you're convinced about the wonders of cloud storage, let's explore some of the most popular services available. Google Drive. Tightly integrated with Google's suite of apps, Google Drive offers a generous free storage tier and seamless collaboration features. iCloud. If you're an Apple aficionado, iCloud is a natural choice, seamlessly syncing your files across Apple devices. Dropbox. Known for its simplicity and reliability, Dropbox is a versatile option for both personal and professional use. Microsoft OneDrive, integrated with Windows 10 and Microsoft Office. OneDrive is an excellent choice for Windows users. Each service offers its own set of features, pricing plans, and storage limits, so it's crucial to choose one that aligns with your specific needs and budget. Let's dive into the practicalities of using cloud storage with a step-by-step guide to Google Drive, one of the most popular and user-friendly options available today. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to keep your files safe and accessible, Google Drive is a fantastic tool to have in your digital toolkit. First, create an account. Head over to the Google Drive website and sign up for a free Google account if you don't already have one. The sign-up process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and a password. Next, access Google Drive. Once you're logged in, you can access Google Drive through your web browser or by downloading the app on your smartphone or tablet. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices, making it easy to manage your files on the go. Now, for uploading files. To upload a file, simply click the New button and select File Upload. Choose the file from your computer and it will be uploaded to your Google Drive. You can also drag and drop files directly into the Drive interface for a quicker upload process. Finally, let's organize your files by creating folders. Click the New button again, but this time select Folder. Give your folder a name and you're good to go. Organizing your files into folders makes it easier to find what you need when you need it and keeps your drive neat and tidy. Section 6. Maximizing your cloud storage tips and tricks. Here are some handy tips to make the most of your cloud storage experience. Take advantage of free tiers. Most cloud storage providers offer a limited amount of free storage. Start with the free tier and upgrade later if needed. Optimize file sizes. Large files can eat up your storage space quickly. Compress files before uploading them to save space. Enable automatic device backups. Protect your precious memories by enabling automatic backups for your photos and videos. Use cloud storage for archiving. Move files you don't access regularly to the cloud to free up space on your local devices. By following these tips, you can optimize your cloud storage usage and ensure a seamless experience. Section 7. Navigating the cloud safely. Common mistakes and privacy concerns. In this section, we will explore some of the most common mistakes users make when using cloud storage and discuss the privacy concerns that come with it. While cloud storage offers numerous benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential risks and take necessary precautions. One of the most common mistakes is choosing weak passwords. A weak password can be easily guessed or cracked by hackers, leaving your account vulnerable. A weak or easily guessable password can leave your cloud storage account vulnerable to hackers. Another critical mistake is ignoring two-factor authentication. This simple step can significantly enhance your account's security. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This means that even if someone gets hold of your password, they would still need a second form of verification to access your data. Publicly sharing sensitive information is another major concern. Be mindful of the files you share publicly and avoid storing highly sensitive information in the cloud. Sharing sensitive information can lead to unauthorized access and potential data breaches. Not reviewing privacy policies is another oversight. Take the time to read and understand the privacy policies of cloud storage providers before entrusting them with your data. These policies outline how your data will be used, stored, and protected. Ignoring them can lead to unexpected privacy issues. By being cautious and following these simple guidelines, you can enjoy the benefits of cloud storage while keeping your data safe and sound. Remember, a little vigilance goes a long way in protecting your personal information in the digital age. Section 8. The future is clouded trends and predictions. The world of cloud storage is constantly evolving, with exciting trends and predictions shaping its future artificial intelligence integration. AI is poised to revolutionize cloud storage, enabling features like automated file organization, advanced search capabilities, and even data loss prevention, edge computing. By processing data closer to its source, edge computing will enhance cloud storage performance, making it even faster and more efficient. Increased focus on security. As cyber threats continue to evolve, cloud storage providers are investing heavily in advanced security measures to stay ahead of the curve. The future of cloud storage is bright, with these advancements promising to make it even more powerful, versatile, and accessible. Section 9. Embrace the cloud. Your journey begins now. Congratulations. You've now embarked on your cloud storage journey, armed with the knowledge and tools to navigate this transformative technology. From safeguarding your precious memories to collaborating seamlessly with others, cloud storage offers a plethora of benefits that can simplify your digital life. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of the cloud today and experience a new era of digital freedom and convenience.